Welcome back once again, my dear students. Today we will talk about periderm, how periderm formation takes place, what is periderm constituted of, and what are the functions of periderm. So let's move on. We know that due to constant increase in thickness of stem because of increase in the production of vascular tissues, there may occur cracking and breaking of outer tissues of plants. To avoid such cracking of outer tissues, plants develop a new ring of cambium, which is called as core cambium or phloem. Okay, and this core cambium or phloem, it is actually a secondary lateral meristem which develops from permanent tissues. Okay, it is known as secondary lateral meristem because it develops from permanent tissues. Okay, in the region of cortex, hypodermis, or even in the outer layers of phloem of the plant. Okay. Now the function of this core cambium or phloem. The core cambium produces dead cells of cork, okay, or phloem towards outer side, and living cells of secondary cortex or phloderm towards inner side. ये जो core cambium है बीच में यहाँ पे dark spot, okay, it produces cells both towards outer side and towards inner side. The cells towards outer side, they are known as cork cells or phloem cells, okay, they form phloem, and the cells towards inner side, they are known as secondary cortex cells or phloderm cells. Okay, so simply you can say the core cambium forms two regions. The outer region is known as cork or phloem, and the inner region is known as secondary cortex or phloderm. All these three layers, including core cambium, secondary cortex, and this phloem or cork, they constitute a protective covering which is known as periderm. Okay, the periderm is a technical term, okay, which includes all the three layers, including core cambium, secondary cortex, and phloem. The cells of cork or phloem, they are highly lignified and dead, and this high lignification in cork cells helps the plant to prevent the loss of water from the stem. Okay. Now, one more term which is attached with periderm is lenticels. Lenticels are actually the chief aerating structures which occur as raised corky spots in the periderm of stem. Here you can see these are the raised corky spots. Some spots in the cork or phloem, they are raised, and these raised corky spots are known as lenticels. Lenticel actually forms below an old stoma where core cambium is more active and produces a mass of loosely arranged parenchymatous cells which are known as complementary cells or filling cells. Here you can see this is a raised corky spot, okay, and here this part of core cambium, it is more active and produces a mass of loosely arranged parenchymatous cells which are known as complementary cells or filling cells. Okay, the complementary cells possess numerous intercellular spaces between them, and each cell is colorless. It is large and they lack the cellular contents. Okay, the main function of these lenticels is they help in the exchange of gases. Okay, their main function is they act as the aerating structures. So this is all about periderm and the associated structures. I hope you all understand this. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, God bless you and thank you.